morning, traders! Welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start the week with this analysis, Elliott Wave analysis on some markets. Today, we are going to talk about the euro, the S&P, and oil. Let's start with the euro. The euro has been trapped in this area where clearly something is going on, and let's start developing the topic. When you are trading, one of the biggest advice I can give you is when the price is trending in one direction, don't try to fade the trend. Don't try to go against the trend, because most of the times it's going to stop you out. So one of the key things when you are finding the end of a leg is to wait for some sideways price action. When the price is moving sideways, that's where you can start thinking on your next move. For example, if you want to continue with the trend, you are going to buy here, let's say, if you have a setup, right, and you're going to sell here or sell here. But something that they have in common and something that is necessary is to have the sideways price action first. So that's what we are seeing on the euro. So let's say that someone wants to follow the trend. Well, here was one entry going long, or here was another entry going long, right? On the other side, if someone was looking for finding the sell trade, here was one entry, right? And here comes the next one that is almost ready. So the point is, traders, that no matter the bias that you have, always trading at the market extremes in the sideways price action is key. So here we have the point of control right here in the middle. This is a volume profile technique. Inside the Elliott Wave Street membership, you have the complete course if you want to learn more about the volume profile and how to apply it with the waves. And the volume profile gives us that point of control that is where the price was most traded in terms of time, because in the Forex market, we don't have access to volume. On the OTC markets, we don't have access to volume, but the volume profile tool gives us an approach to volume thanks to the time that the price spends in a level. So more time the price has been in a level, more volume will be represented in the volume profile. So it's a great tool to understand what's going on. So the plan with the volume profile is straight far from the point of control. If we are above, we sell it. If we are below, we buy it. Of course, everything with a setup. The first setup that can happen here for selling the euro is if price makes a hard high here and rejects, or if the price makes a move above this high and rejects, right? One or the other, whatever happens first, of course. And the alternative is if the price moves up here, rejects, and we want an extra validation, we can look for wave 1, ABC for wave 2, and at the rejection after ABC, we can trigger to capture the wave 3. So there are two ways to trigger a trade when we are finding the end of the wave. One is the aggressive, but in this case, the aggressive is a little bit risky than usual because the slope of this leg, look how powerful it is. So we need to have a big reason to short, right? So let's see which one is going to develop this week, but we have a clear trading plan to follow the price action on the euro. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, on the daily chart, we can compare this leg with this leg. Okay, now this leg with this leg. Oh, and that's where we have a difference between this leg and this leg. Look, the last time that we have a retrace, it was fast and quickly rejected and quickly sell off. But this time, the price has been able to sustain a lot of time at the higher levels and almost 90%, 80% of the previous leg. So clearly, this is extremely bullish on the S&P. So we can tell that the S&P is extremely, extremely bullish. And we are likely to have another leg down to this area, but probably just to take out a little bit of liquidity here. Ideally, something here rejecting, and starting a new cycle up. And from there, it can start a big move up. So on the lower time frames, I'm trying to find the end of this leg. Of course, it's tricky because the trend is up and I'm going against a monster. But let's talk about how we can trade it. On the hourly chart, we're seeing a good attempt to cancel, let's say, the move up. We have a structural breakdown of this area. Probably we're going to break down this area as well. That will be great. And the corrective wave here needs to be perfect. The ABC, the rejection, and we can sell it here, if only if we have a good ABC. A good ABC is when you have a wave 1 and then the ABC, and the C slows down and loses momentum between A and C. But what if, instead of the C acting like that, you have a C acting like this? Of course, it's going to take out this high. And that's a common mistake when traders are applying the Elliott wave theory. Oh, it's a wave 2, I have to sell it. And what if that wave 2 is moving up like this? Of course, it's going to take out the high, and you are wasting your time and you are wasting your money trying to find the divergence here or here on a lower time frame to find the end of 2. You are just wasting a lot of money. So clearly, if that's the case, then we just need to wait for the price to take out this high, and there is no setup, right? But if we have a good wave 2, we can give it the chance to sell it and follow the leg down. Let's have a look at oil. Oil, we are shorting oil. We are in a short bias. Seems that this wave 2 is done, and we are looking for the price on oil to give us a big leg down this week. We have been seeing so many rejections, so many chances of triggering the setups. Look, this beautiful thing, and now it's time to start seeing the result. It's time to start seeing the big sell-off on oil. And this could be the beginning of a bearish wave 3. Of course, we need to have the breakdown of this area. And it seems that we are going to have a really good leg on oil this week. Traders, if you want to receive our daily analysis, please visit us on ElliottWaveStreet.com. On the membership tab, you are going to find more about the membership. We have the Forex, the stocks, and the full access. Here you have all the details. Also, if you are outside the US, we have a special offer with an international broker, our trade, where you can get a scholarship for the full access membership. So here you can read the details. You can click here to follow the steps, and you will get access to the membership for free with this partnership with the broker. So that's another option, or you can just sign up, taking the trial of $19 the first month to check out everything we have inside. We have live market analysis Monday to Friday. We have also the educational area with fantastic courses, the Elliott Wave Crash Course, the Volume Profile Course, the MACD course, and other courses, everything related to the Elliott Wave Theory. All right, traders, so that's the plan. Please have a fantastic start of your week. Make some good money, and I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.